Hello and welcome to NonRivalData. This is a quick product walkthrough in which we will talk about the set of tools available for different users during the application's lifecycle. This is our introductory product page. With consumers' consent, we transparently collect, analyze, and market aggregated user data on blockchain. There are two parties on this platform who will interact with each other through blockchain, namely consumers and businesses. Consumers consent to have their online activities tracked. In order to do so, consumers must download the non-rival data extensions. In this illustration, the extensions and their statuses for different browsers are shown. For example, Google's Chrome browser does not permit extensions to be downloaded and used for the smartphones until 2022. Meanwhile, Apple's iOS 15 for the iPhones and iPads have allowed extensions on its Safari browsers for the very first time, and we have the non-rival data's extensions ready on Apple's app stores. With intuitive sign-up and registration processes, users can sign up to our system. Here is a live application running on a Chrome desktop. After signing in, we can select the device that we are currently running and using and click to install the extension on any smart device or desktop browsers under the Extensions tab. As I'm using a desktop Chrome browser, so if I click on install, it will take me to the Chrome Web Store, and I can just click on add to Chrome and it will install the extension to my Chrome browser. After installation, we can just log in using the same credentials that we use to log in to the consumer's profile. If I come back to the user's profile, the consumer's profile, I can see that it now shows that the Chrome desktop extension is now installed. Rewards and transactions are shown on the dashboard, meaning that the users will conduct all the activities related to the benefits from allowing online tracking from the same screen. No transactions can be seen on consumer's page since there has been no online activity. The process for business registration is the same. Logging in to the business profile will result in the merchant dashboard. The data tab shows all the aggregated data that is available for purchase on Ethereum network. This is aggregated consumers data that has been cleaned off for all the PID information from this data. By clicking on this purchase button for any aggregated data, it will show us a multiple payment options, and the businesses can select any payment option as per their choosing. By clicking on the transactions hash, it takes us to the Ethereum Blockchain Network Explorer and opens the page where this aggregated consumer data is available for purchase. Here we can see all the information related to this Ethereum blockchain transaction. The Transactions tab shows all the transactions made for purchasing the aggregated data by this business on Ethereum blockchain network. And clicking on the transaction hash, it will take us to the transaction that was made for purchasing this aggregated consumer data on Ethereum blockchain network, and we will able to see all the transactional details on Ethereum blockchain explorer. All this activity from the businesses on any data collection or aggregated data is being made on a blockchain or a public blockchain so that we can introduce transparency and the users can track that how and which business is actually interacting with their data. So the blockchain or the transactions on a public blockchain actually introduces transparency and trust. Our smartphone applications are available for both iOS and Android smart devices. And if we just install and log in to our smartphone application, it will take us to the consumer's dashboard and it will show us the same information that we just saw on the consumer's web portal. The reward tab lists and groups the rewards by the businesses who purchased this consumer's aggregated data. If we tap on the top one that was just performed, it will show us all the rewards collected for this consumer by this business's transactions. We can also look at this particular transaction on Ethereum blockchain explorer and all the transactional information with it. If we just click on view on Ethereum button, it will take us to the explorer. Here we can see all the transactional details. If we just scroll down and look at the input data, we will also be able to see all the things included in the summary of this transaction that shows the file hash, for this aggregated data and who purchased this aggregated data and all the other details. This step also is included on the blockchain so that the consumers can also track all the activity that is being performed on their data by any businesses during any time.